Okay.
Crystal lang yan.
Good day.
Hindi sa'yo din.
Today, we are facing a very tough time. Just look at the windows.
Hindi mo yung
Look at the windows. Come back to me, come back to me. It's very dark.
Pakita mo ulit.
But today,
Sige,
but today, it's Michael's birthday!
Yay! Nagkagulo.
Sabihin mo na!
May ubo pa yun.
Sabihin mo na! Sabihin mo na!
At sa ngalan po ni Agatha Abaya, RJ Oxon, Miss Jen Romualdez at JC Kita.
Sabi mo last name ko?
Romualdez.
Romualdez. Sino yun?
Binabati ka namin ng
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Michael!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ayan.
Isa pa. Sabi nga pala kay, kay Mr. Mon Confiado, happy birthday.
Oh, sige pa more.
Okay na.
Okay na.